Alright guys, this is The Life I Live by Randy Brayton. I'm gonna jump right into it since I only have 3 minutes. I'm a big creature of habit. The thing I like to do the most is I go to the gym almost every day. I feel like if you're a creature of habit, it sets you up for success. Studying, as classes get harder for me, I allot more and more time for studying. I do at least an hour studying for each class. It's a big deal. Every day I do this. Same thing with my alarm. I make sure I get 8 hours of sleep every day. The first three slides have been a pretty apparent theme. I'm a creature of habit with my sleep, gym, and studying. I always think positively. If you want to get through your obstacles or goals, thinking negatively and being down is not going to help you. It's just going to make it 20,000 times harder for you. Family is a big deal for me, a big aspect of my life. My family's easy. They make it so easy for me. They've got my back. I got their back. They know I love them. They know I know they love me. So super simple. Without them, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. They make it way too easy for me. I'm very grateful. Computer science is the field I am majoring in. Definitely not an easy route to go, but I know what I'm capable of, and I know I will smash my goals, and I will get that degree. I do have a tendency to be a little hot-headed of a person once in a while. If someone comes at me the wrong way, instead of just trying to see what they mean from their point of view, I kind of get mad sometimes. I am working on it. I'm getting better, but one step at a time for that one. I'm a very detail observant oriented person. I notice everything that goes on around me, even if sometimes I pretend like I don't. I think it's a crucial aspect to have, especially in today's society. You never know what's going to happen. It's great for your studying as well. Makes it a little bit easier, especially when you get into these math classes with these negatives and everything. Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, the late and great Kobe Bryant, unfortunately passed away very recently. Um, I'm a big Lakers fan. He's one of my childhood heroes. He's taught me um, there's really no excuse. If you want to get it done, you're gonna work hard. You're gonna do it the right way, and if you work hard and keep at it, when it comes down to it, the work will pay off when it matters the most. Don't ever give up. That's the number one thing for everybody. Do not give up. And something you guys probably don't know about me. I don't know if I stated this in the beginning of the class, but this is my dog, Chance. I love him. This is my dog, not the family dog. My dog. He's a German Shepherd Husky Akita mix. He's currently 3 years old. He's the best dog you could ever have, honestly. Um, yeah, he's definitely changed my life for the better. All right, you guys. It was great talking to you. You have a good one.